Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new or returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to enjoy the beautiful video. In today's video, I decided to do the direction of the video was supposed to be a smoky eye because I've never done a smoky eye on my channel, and I decided that it was the best thing to do. However, while filming the video, I said, you know what? Let me add some color. I went from adding color to actually having glitter. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. All of the materials will be added in the description box below the video. I'd like you to also please ensure to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell from personalized to all so you'll never miss when I upload. And I wanted to share that there's a part in the video where you'll see I'm adding the color. For some reason that film got cut off. So I mean, what basically happened, I added white milk jumbo pencil to my waterline, and I added one from my metallics palette. It was aquamarine blue and green shift. That's what's in my waterline. Now I hope that most of you all were able to get onto the live on my Instagram. It was filmed on August 1st. I launched my own lash line. That's Lash Studio 868 under Makeup by Ife. I would love for you all to go on makeupbyife.com, put in your information, and proceed to Instagram at Lash Studio 868 and purchase and support your girl. I launched my own lash line. There are 5 pairs of lashes on the line. I'm wearing one of the lashes today to film this video. It's called LAVISH. It's really bold. It's bold. I love it. I didn't know I would have loved bold lashes as much as I love LAVISH. And I decided in my other videos moving forward, I will be featuring the 5 pairs of lashes. If you would like to place your orders or get any business inquiries, as if let's just say you want me to feature one of your products that you're launching for promotion purposes, you can contact me on businessbyife.com and send me your interest. If you want me to advertise for you on my YouTube videos, I can do so. So just go on to Lash Studio 868 on Instagram, look at the lashes, place your order. I'm having a sale from the 17th to the 31st. It's my birthday month, so I've decided to have a sale. I'll put up all details on my Instagram tomorrow, and you can just go follow. Go on makeupbyife.com, put in your information, and go on Lash Studio 868 and purchase your lash. Support your girl. It's a local business. We're trying to do things differently, and I want to be able to share what I've been working so hard on. You know, even if you don't wear lashes, you can purchase one for your friends. You can purchase one as a gift for someone. Spread the word about, the lashes that I'm sharing. So ensure to continue supporting your girl. She's out here working hard. I'm always developing myself. I want you to, if you have not seen my other videos on YouTube, go out and support and share. At the end of the video, I will be linking within the video and at the end other videos for you to go like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you for watching. Thank you so much for the support. And before I go, there are persons who have signed up for my classes. Now I'm giving eyebrow mastering class, and I'm also offering a basic makeup course. So those are the 2 classes I'm offering. If you are interested in knowing how I slay my eyebrows all the time, you can go to businessbymakeupbyife.com and put in your information indicating that you are interested in the classes, or leave me a DM. Also, if you want to learn be part of our basic makeup course, you can do the same. So we're offering classes. I had my very first class on Friday. It went amazing. You get all of the we have slides, we have handouts, you get a certificate at the end of your training. So just ensure to go and sign up and get yourself involved. Let's support local, support your girl, support me all the way, and I love you for watching. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the video.
I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, babe. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, babe. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. that day.